Hey guys, it's Stuart here, and in today's video, I quickly want to show you where you can find your ads manager navigating through the Meta Business Suite. This is quite a frequent question that has been asked recently with the Meta Business Suite moving to business.facebook.com. How do I access the Business Manager and also the Ads Manager as well? So to do that, you just need to navigate down to the left-hand side. We've got the little drop-down column for the Meta Business and click on All Tools, and that's going to open up a wide range of tools that you can get quick access to. So we're going to scroll down until we see Advertise, and then we will see Ads Manager. And once you've clicked through from the Meta Business Suite on Ads Manager, it will take you through to your ads account where you can see all of the campaigns, ad sets, and ads that you've been running before. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please consider subscribing if you're new to the channel, and don't forget to smash that like button. Thanks.